We're a fourth generation farming family. We got into the olive oil business, planted our trees in 2005 and had our first crop in 2007.
We do everything from tree to bottle. So we know every little drop that's going into your bottle, it's getting straight to your home that you can enjoy with your family. We work with many local school kitchens to educate their staff and teams, and they use all of our products in their kitchen. They also did their summer program, giving bottles of extra virgin olive oil back to the families to cook healthy over the summer.
We kind of set ourselves apart by using fresh ingredients and fresh herbs and vegetables and fruits crushed together with the olives, and really you're extracting the natural oils out of both.
Well, if someone was spending a weekend in Lodi, we'd tell them to stop here at Calivirgin's Winery and Olive Mill. You know, they should head into town. There's almost 100 wineries here in Lodi. Stop at a few of them. Be sure to hit downtown where there's great local restaurants.
Really knowing the farmers and staying in touch with where your food comes from is really important. And so when you come here, you feel kind of that connection with the owners and with the small businesses.